SB member Dr. Erwin S. Sustento, Chairman, Committee of Education, Sangguniang Bayan of New Lucena. To our distinguished guest of honor, to Mrs. Marlene A. Sustento, Master Teacher to OIC, Office of the School.
Members who are present this afternoon, Dr. Erwin Sustento, at the same time, the New Lucena National High School Alumni President, Attorney Carl Mondihar, Liga President, the ex-official member of the Sangguniang Bayan, Honorable Valentin Kalungay, to the barangay officials headed by the different punong barangays who are present this afternoon, him as our manong, an elder brother. That is why, when I was informed that I will be the one to introduce this fine gentleman, all I feel was a great pride and honor.
How are you, graduates? From 1 to 10, how are you feeling? Mostly siguro, malungkot kayo, no? Bakit? Yung mga girlfriend, matiwalay na. Hanggang doon lang. Pero walang problema yun. Alam niyo naman na walang forever. Along the way, you have to create your own destiny. Mind you bira lang yun mga 1 out of the 10 na magkatuluyan yung mag-classmate.
Engineer, Philippine Army. The Black Reeds, Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 6, Western Visayas, Schools Division of Iloilo, District of New Lucena, New Lucena National High School, Cabilawan, New Lucena, Iloilo. Certificate of recognition is awarded to Master Sergeant Bovet C. Cirillo in recognition of his meritorious service as inspirational speaker during the 53rd commencement exercises of the New Lucena National High School on May 30, 2024, given at the New Lucena National High School, Cabilawan, New Lucena, Iloilo, on the 3rd day of May 2024. Signed, Mrs. Marlene A. Sustento, Master Teacher to OIC, Office of the School Principal 2. As well as, we would like to give this token for appreciation. But
this will be followed by the confirmation of graduation by Dr. Leonie H. Guevara, Public Schools District Supervisor, Schools District of New Lucena. Then, the reading of DepEd Secretary by message by Dr. Leonie H. Guevara.
Kasama ko si Christine ang hapon. Christine Manangfe sa City Bus. Tapos niya Christine dyan. Kaya naisip mo tapos nang gulong pagtabuan na ito tura nung turkay naman. Dua-dua ako bumong.
Dr. Leonie H. Guevara, Public Schools District Supervisor. I have the honor to and 87 are females. They have satisfactorily complied with the requirements of the K-12 Enhanced Basic Education Curriculum prescribed in the Department of Education for Senior High School. And now, they are ready for your confirmation.
By virtue of the authority in me vested by the Schools Division Superintendent, Schools Division of Iloilo, Dr. Ernesto F. Servillion, Jr., MNSA, CESO 6, and upon the recommendation of your OIC Principal 2, Mrs. Marlene Sustento, that you have satisfactorily completed and complied the requirements prescribed by the Enhanced Basic Education Curriculum for Senior High School for the school year 2023-2024, I now confirm your graduation this 30th day of May 2024. As such, you are entitled to all the privileges for senior high school. Congratulations.
Ako, tawagan lang kami niya.
Angelo S. With honors, Benita Nulusen. Manisha Carl Jilong Jason J. S. With honors, Benita Nulusen. Pamela K. Highway with honors to the Batay Nulusen. The main graduate is also a recipient of Work Immersion Award. Pamela Jonah J.
With honors. Solomon Mayanila.
Let me end my speech with these words of encouragement to my fellow graduates. Don't stop looking forward to your goals. Draw inspiration from the kindness of the people around you and find fulfillment in your achievements that contributed to what we are now and what New Lucena National High School has become today.
Kaming nagtapos ng senior high school sa taong 2023 to 2024, sa mataas na paaralang nasyonal ng New Lucena, ay nangangakong magpapahalaga